All right, Adam here today with Armor Marine. We're here to talk to you a little bit about our new patented technology here for patrol boats. We've got a display here that we'll be displaying at Maritime Security West here next week. We built the display up to kind of show you a little bit of what we're all about, what our patented technology is about, and what we stand for, and that's safety, security, and defense. So we'll talk through a little bit about this. Come on over here, guys. First and foremost, we stand for safety. The design of this boat's really unique. You know, we have a faceted side here. We got an integrated double step chine. We got a 1/4 inch 5086 bottom, 1/4 inch 5086 chine here, and then we push it out into this faceted assembly. So this chine here and this assembly here, what it's designed to increase the bottom area and decrease your bottom loading. Less planing resistance, more stability, especially with this little bit of a 5-degree reverse angle and the secondary chine here. We also, with this assembly here, allows us to push the bottom, the chine beam width out a little farther than a traditional boat. What that does is it allows us to displace more volume as the boat lists. So that gives us approximately 40% more volume as that boat lists. That's more stability right there. We think this design here is superior to a traditional boat, you know, and gives us, you know, a lot more stability at rest. It's a lot safer platform. Security. We fill the sides of this assembly here with our own foam. We've tested this foam to the Coast Guard regs and so forth. This foam won't absorb water as it ages. You know, it's hydrophobic foam that specially designed for our boats. We form this foam in advance before we put it in, and it won't absorb water over time. It's the right stuff. So this foam gives us the security in case of any emergency, right? Your boat takes on some water, no big deal. This boat won't sink. We got enough foam inside the gunnels of this boat to keep it afloat indefinitely, right? So super secure. The defense side of Armor Marine. Let's talk a little bit about this defense portion of Armor Marine. We've designed this ballistic bag here with the leading materials manufacturers. This is specifically designed for us. It's a marine application of ballistic armor. Super heavy duty stout stuff made for the marine environment. This particular panel here is one of our first larger panels, which we've just gone through our first round of NIJ 3+ testing. We'll shoot this panel today, show you a little bit how it performs. We'll be using various different rounds, a couple handguns, maybe 9mm, a 40 cal. We'll jump up into the 5.56. Then we'll jump up from there into the 7.62 by 5.1, and then we'll finish it all off with a 300 Win Mag, just to show you how it works.